College wen fibro kijim tip nam ta ki Khubor Laitkam tegi don South Tylli ki post ki balaj hapo ka Directorate of Social Welfare Meghalaya Shillong. Pat kini baro kidai on contractual basis. Teka last date masuk meeting kini kan day 11 September 2023 till 4 p.m. Sekan mau ki badon ni ka qualification mat ki kwa ban submit haban late submit ki application jungpi to the office of the Directorate Social Welfare Lower Lachmer. Take number of posts ka post kebenkong name of the post is IEC officer as per ka age limit as per the norms of the government of Meghalaya. Number of posts ka way remuneration de Laipo Wajar educational qualification master degree in mass communication lane journalism lane mass media lane development communication lane advertising lane digital media having 1 to 2 year experience in mass communication IEC, BCT activities, experience at program management level and NGO or at state and district level in IEC program. Kini bro kita biar pok Shillong wa. Teka baar keteng kena post kedai monitoring and evaluation officer. Kedai tentang kawai Laipo Wajar tulom. Ka qualification we belong postgraduate in statistics or related subject with specialization in demography, lane biostatistic, lane operation research and sampling. Advanced degree and a diploma or postgraduate degree in computer from an institute of repute knowledge of local language. Take experience to done minimum 2 to 3 years experience of working in the field of monitoring of project, preferably in the field of health or social development, and handling data and analyzing and working on computerized database and analysis software in area Shillong. Number 3, liaison officer. Kawai to lob Arpsanajar, bachelor degree in public relation communication, and bachelor degree in political science. Kan mau kita belajar political science, pila benyo ayakne BA Pol, and international relation. Kan ada orang kawai pok Shillong. Kini dia BA, BA Pol, and BA public relation, BA communication, and BA international relation. Kibala apa apply mau tang kini. Dan akan ada basau dan artli computer operators. Art League post walan Laipo Wajar katulop kanebde bachelor degree in computer science tangki ba dep yega bachelor degree in computer science kila ban apply. Application in standard form addressed to the Director Social Welfare Meghalaya Shillong Lower Lachmer. The Papanda Bhabaro with attested copies of all attested minutes bagi experience bagi bro educational qualification. Malai 2 recent passport size photograph duly attested should be attached with application form. Only eligible candidate fulfilling the criteria need apply. Tang kiba long eligible kiba biang qualification la ban apply. Itang ini jemptip College